Hey teachers, I hope you're hanging in there. This is Missy Feller, English teacher and e-learning legacy coach, to show you how to create a Venn diagram template for your students in Google Slides. This demo will be from the teacher's perspective. This video will show you how to create a Venn diagram using slides, how to save a slide as an image, and how to apply that image as a slide background to share with your students. If you'd like for your students to create this Venn diagram on their own, you can check out my student tutorial video with the blue outline on my YouTube channel. The student tutorial leads students through the process I'll share in this video, with reminders about checking assignment instructions and the grading rubric from you. After deleting the text boxes, we'll use the Shape tool to draw some circles. I'm pretty picky about the way things look, so I'll walk you through my process. I'm first going to create the circle, but I'm not exactly sure where it needs to end up in order to look right as a Venn diagram. In order to see how these circles will look, I'm going to need to change the fill to transparent, and then copy and paste my circle to make a copy. I can also use the keyboard shortcuts Control-C followed by Control-V. This red guideline will help me line up my circles. This didn't turn out the way I wanted it to look, so I'm going to need to make some adjustments. It looks like I'll need one of my circles to take up about 2/3 of the page in order for it to create a Venn diagram. I could stop there, but since I want my students to fill this out digitally, I'm going to add some color. Selecting this tool will fill my circles with a solid color, which isn't exactly what I want to happen. Ideally, this center overlapping portion will show a blend of the two colors I've chosen. To do this, I need to select one of my circles and go to Fill, and then Custom. You can also do this without selecting a color first. Here I can make two adjustments, hue and transparency. Once I change the second circle in the same way, the center overlapping portion will show a blend of the two colors. My student tutorial video shows students how to get to this point and how to add text boxes to their diagram. But what if you don't want students to go through all of this? You, their teacher, could create the Venn diagram and share it with them, but then they could still change or accidentally delete the circles. What you need is a Venn diagram that allows students to add to, but not change or take away anything already there in the slide. To do this, you'll save the slide as an image by going to File, Download, and saving as the image format you like best. Once you've done this, select the circles that you created and then delete them from the slide. Next, go to Background and upload the image that you just saved. This will make your Venn diagram a static image that students may add their text to without worrying about deleting or altering the circles. You could also add numbers to your Venn diagram before saving, if you have certain requirements for completion. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to check out my other student and teacher tutorial videos about Google Classroom and Google Drive on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see to help your students succeed. And even if no one else tells you today, You're doing great, teacher. Thanks for all you do.